Hey guys, welcome back. So today what I'm gonna do is take a print of one of my paintings, and if you saw my other video, I did the same thing, but I used the printer at home, and my printer is ink cartridges. So what happened was when I used the Mod Podge on the wood and laid the piece down, the colors bled. So it still looks pretty cool. I'm still debating what to do with it, whether doing a wash back here. I'm not sure, but so what I'm gonna do for this video is I went to Kinko's since I don't have a laser printer, and just print it out on a regular piece of paper like so, and then I'm gonna try to do the same thing and see if it's better that way using a laser versus ink cartridges. And the reason being is like I mentioned on my other videos, the original painting was done on canvas, and I wanted to think of different options of printing my artwork, not just on paper, but transferring onto a piece of wood. I just think it's really cool looking. It's different. Or if you're a digital artist and you want to transfer onto a canvas or something like this, it just gives you that that opportunity. So what you need is obviously a piece of wood, the print. You got the Mod Podge. This one is matte that I picked up at Michael's. I don't know, it's probably like $5, $6, $7, and then if you get the coupon for 40% off, that'll take care of that. Brush. So we'll lay some of the glue down, and then I cut this to size, so I just put it right to the edge like so, and then we're just gonna let it sit overnight, and then tomorrow comes the fun part of peeling this off, which requires you to wet it. I've seen videos of special paper where I've seen some where it just peels off. I don't have that with me, so I just used the regular sheet of paper that comes at Kinko's. So all right, let's get started. So anyway, so we'll let this dry overnight. And that was the other thing with this piece, was that I didn't let it dry overnight. It was my very first one using this technique, so I was impatient, and I just put it in front of a fan for about an hour. And I mean, I don't think that was the reason why I did this. It could be, but I think mainly was because of the printer with the ink. So anyways, that still looks really cool. I mean, I like it. So we'll let this dry overnight, and then come tomorrow we'll peel it off, which is the part that I don't really care for, but yeah, we'll definitely see what happens tomorrow. All right, guys. All right, so it's been over 24 hours. So now it comes to, I guess, the fun part. So we're just gonna wet the image, the back of the piece of paper, and then start rubbing it off, and hopefully we'll see an image onto the piece of wood. So let's get started. And you could use a different, like maybe the sponge to rub it or something else. Just be careful, because when I did it on this one, it you can probably still see it. Yeah, you see a lot of the ink was coming off, so I'm just going to use my finger for now. But overall, I like it. I like it a lot, just the way the image is on the piece of wood. Like I mentioned, this is one of the paintings that I've done. You can check my other videos because I did post a video a couple of years ago of me painting this Frankenstein. So make sure to check it out. And I got some other paintings too if you want to see that as well. You know, subscribe to my channel. Please hit like and support. And I'm trying to spend more time doing tutorials and you know, things like that.